Okay, editing Mon here. I'm just gonna film a disclaimer. If I sound unexcited or if I sound unhappy in this video, it's simply because I am tired. I was tired when I filmed this and it shows in my voice, but I'm like super stoked to have these albums and like I'm super excited. And I was really excited about my polls, even though it doesn't really show in my voice. But yeah, if I sound unexcited or unhappy, it's not that. I'm just tired. I'm just really excited, but I'm just tired. So that's, yeah. And anyways, enjoy the video. Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Mon. If you heard me say I wasn't gonna buy another album this year, I lied. I bought more. But yeah, I apologize for the harsh shadows. I have the overhead light on and I can't really help with that. I don't really have any other lighting situations. But if you've seen the title of today's video, we are unboxing 17th Heaven album. This one is the regular album version. This is the 5:26 AM version, I think. If it's not, I'll have it up on screen, like the version name. This one is the carrot version. I bought these two from like two different proxies. So I did get like extra freebie cards. I'm not sure if some of the freebie cards are official. I don't know. But let me I haven't even looked at what I got. One of the albums literally just arrived. The other one I kept it inside the box until like now. So I haven't even seen the cards. So let me show you guys what I got. These are the things that I got for the carrot version. Okay, this one I know is the freebie that the proxy site gives. Okay, I'm not gonna take these two out of the packaging, but pins. One with 17, like their name in the font, and then another one with all of the members. It's a pin badge thingy. And then this is the card that they give, like, thank you for purchase. And this, I don't know if they're official cards or fan-made, or not fan-made, like freebie cards. Yeah. Oh. Okay, hold on. They might be double-sided. We have Joshua. What's on the back? June. Scoops. Junghan. Seungkwan. And Vernon. Uzi. D8. Mingyu. Wonho. Hoshi. That's DK. I'm so sorry. This is DK. This is Wonho. Dino and the group. Yeah. Okay. And then as for this, I think this is the Yes 24 pop. We got DK! Slay. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Also, I apologize for the bare nails. I was gonna paint my nails later this week, but I wanted to get this video out first. Oh. This is the back. And this is the front. Yeah. So those are the cards that I got with the carrot version. Yeah. And then as for this version, this proxy also gives top loaders as free gifts. So I have 2 top loaders. Okay, I literally have not seen a single one of these. I took them out like this. I'm not gonna. Okay, this is a magnet. And we got Sungkwan. Nice. Okay, this is the Weaver shop. Paul? Wait. And then there's... Oh, okay. Oh, wait. These two are the Record Planet pop. Not... Are they props? Or are they freebies? I don't know. But yeah, it has the shop. Uzi! Nice. Sorry, I had to take a moment to look. Okay. And the next card. We got you. Oh! Yo! Bro, remember when they posted this photo on Instagram? Like, that was the first photo I saw when I opened the app at like 7 in the morning. Shocked me. This is a Weaver shop pop. It did not come in like a sleeve or whatever, so... Or maybe it didn't, it just fell out. I actually don't know. And we got... Joshua! Wow, nice. This is the Weaver... Is this... Yeah, this is the shop pop. And this one is also Weaver's shop. Wait. I know one of it is like the fan sign card. I don't know which one is the fan sign. I don't know which one is the fan sign card. Could be this. I don't know. And we got Vernon. Nice. I don't know which one is the fan sign card and which one is the shop card. I will have to look at a template. I will leave it on screen. So these are the cards that I got with Rocket Planet. Okay, now on to the actual album unboxing. I'm gonna unbox this version first. I'll be honest, I have yet to watch the unboxing video that they posted on their official channel. By the way, Whoa! Oh. What is this? Amaze, yeah. I mean that should be obvious, but how do I? Oh, it's like a drawer. Huh. I don't think I've ever seen a packaging like this. Yo, wait, this is so cool. What the hell? Okay. I hope y'all didn't hear that. Oh, okay, I think I just CD. Okay. I'm gonna try and take out all the inclusions first. What? I guess let's look at the CD first then. Is it the CD? I think the other side is just... Yeah, it's empty. Okay. I think the inclusions might be inside here. What's this? We'll look at this later. Let's look at the photo book. So, okay. I don't think we're really gonna be talking about the photos much. Oh, damn. Okay. What was I gonna say? Yeah, by the time this video goes out, I think there would be a video on my sister's channel where the both of us react to the comeback. Like the music video. I'm trying to get my sister into 17, so we also did film a reaction to the guide? Not the guide. A reaction to a 17 guide to get my sister into 17. Also, does anyone actually understand the order of the photo books, like, is there like a specific, like how do I put this? Like the members are all in like random orders. Like most groups, their photo books either go age order or like units if they have any. I don't understand 17's order. Like is there an order? Do they just like spin the wheel and figure out who goes first in the photo book? Does anyone know? Okay, I really don't have much to say. Yeah. Okay, some of the Polaroids, for them say 17th, the others say 11th. Why 11th? Oh, it's the it's the 11th mini album. Okay, I'm really not that awake now. I also have the fan switched off, so if my hands start looking glossy, it's because it's super warm in here. And if I have the fan on, it's gonna be very loud. Yo, I really like this concept. And like, all the other concepts that they've also posted, like, dude, this is... I mean, I always like 17's concepts anyway, so... Yeah, this was the photo book. I don't know what else is under here. I think this... I think, is this the lyrics thingy? Yes, it is. Oh, I didn't even talk about any of the songs. My favorites are SOS, Monster, and Hapu. Or, I think, according to Spotify, the English version is Yawn. I think. Don't quote me on that. Okay, I'm just gonna like start pulling things out from under here. What is this? What is this? What is this? I should have probably looked at the inclusions list. I don't remember what this is. I'll probably leave it on the screen if I remember. Is it the festive band? I think that's what it is. Okay, do I? How do I? Okay, wait, let me... Oh shit. I'm trying not to look or spoil the cards for myself. Putting them under here for a bit. This is that poster. Yo! Whoa! I like the collage style, bruh. This is the poster. I hope y'all can see it properly. But yeah, that is the poster. I wish I had space to put it though. Okay, I'm gonna start pulling stuff out. What's this? Oh, this is a Weaver's shop thingy. Yeah. Okay. I'm like holding this because I have all the stuff under. There is. Okay. Bros. Oh. Is this? What is this? Is it? Okay, wait. Hold on. I should have looked at what items they have inside here. But this is DK of whatever item this is. Is this sticker? It feels like sticker paper, but I don't know. I'll have it on screen. You probably might have seen a different, better unboxing. But, okay, I think this is the point where we start pulling photo cards, because we have one photo card here. Okay. First photo card of the album. 3, 2, 1. Dino! Nice. There are 3 photo cards? Are there 3 photo? There are 3 photo cards here though. Okay, this 3, 2, 1. Joshua! Nice. Okay. Last card. 3, 2. Oh my god. Dino! Again! Yo! I think I keep pulling Dino and DK, huh? Now to look at what this is. What's this? I'm trying not to rip it. Okay, that's his performance team lineup. Oh, this thingy. Hold on. Oh, wait. This one is D8? Hoshi? Dino and June. What is this? I'm gonna keep saying what is this a lot. I'm sorry, but huh. I don't know what this is. But this was everything that was in the first album. Okay, on to the carrot version. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is the lyrics. Hold on, let me show the CD first. Ooh, that's nice. If I'm showing this out of frame, it's because I'm not really looking at the camera much. Okay. Hold on. Whose version did we get? Yo! Oh my god, we got Escoops. Escoops is my bias, if I haven't mentioned that yet. Okay, those are the other cards, right? Let's look at these first. Also, does anyone know if these photo books are like PVC free or like? Yeah, because I don't know whether I need to sleeve the cards before I put them in this. But that was the collect book. Did I collect a photo book earlier? I meant collect book. Does anyone know if the collect book is PVC free? Like the carrot version collect books? Yeah. So these are what the bags look like. I don't think I'm going to be showing the bags for the rest of the cards. But yeah. Oh my god. Is that... It's one of the cards I pulled, or did I just drop something? Okay. Yo. Okay, those are all the cards. I don't think I'm going to be putting them in here yet. Because I don't know whether I should sleeve them or not. I might, honestly, I think. But yeah, let's look at the random cards. Yo! Oh my gosh. Nice. We got 2 DKs and 2 Sungkwans? Oh. Yo? Wait. I thought like... Did they just pack it as such? Or do all the character versions have like 2 of each members? I thought... Okay, I've not watched a single unboxing, so I don't know. Haven't all of the previous ones been like random 4? Yo? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like yeah, that's it for the carrot version. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me bring everything that we pulled in this. Okay, so that is it for this video. Yeah. Didn't really have much to talk about in this video. I didn't really feel chatty. So, there might be clips in this that were sped up. Hope y'all don't mind. And I definitely do not have all the versions, so... Yeah, I'm sure there are other videos where you can find like more in-depth commentary of the albums. But these were all the pulls. We mainly got Dino, DK, and Sungkwan. Like, yeah. This was also the first 17 album that I've actually bought. So this is exciting. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. There will eventually be a storing photo cards video. Do stay tuned. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do have a couple of other K-pop related content that you might like. I also do post other type of content, so you can check those out if you haven't already. I also will be posting more unboxings, or one more unboxing in the near future, like very near future. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I think I already said that. Also, who's your bias in 17? My bias is S-Scopes. So yeah. Yeah. I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye!